make a Oreo pudding pie that I used to make when my kids were young, were little. When they were teenagers too. I used to make it a lot and they liked it. So what you need is a big pack of vanilla pudding. I use the cook and serve, but you can use instant too. I get a Keebler Ready Crust, graham crust. This is the shortbread. I usually use the Oreo crust pie shell, but they didn't have it. I couldn't find it. But if I can't find it, then I do use this one. Then I use like a sleeve and a half of Oreo cookies. Just the regular Oreos. I'm going to crush them and then show you what I do with that. But right now we're going to let me put that on medium heat. You have to put it on medium heat. Open the pudding mix. Okay, so what I'm going to do is add 3 cups of milk. Then you add the pudding. Stir that constantly. You have to bring it to a boil until it starts to thicken. And also, after it's done cooking, when it cools, it thickens some more too. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll be right back. Okay, it's starting to come to a boil and starting to thicken. You have to keep stirring it, because if you don't, then the pudding will burn. I've already crushed up my cookies. Yep, it's starting to thicken up. Waiting for it to come to a boil. You can use any kind of pudding. I just like vanilla pudding. You can use chocolate pudding. Any kind of pudding you want with that. You can use any kind of Oreo cookies you want. They have mint, they have strawberry. I mean, whatever you like. And it's getting ready to come to a boil. Let me take that off. Okay, so you see that it's coming to a boil. I'm going to turn it off because it's, let me show you, it's thick now. And like I said, it's going to get thicker as it cools. Okay, now, let me take that off of here. Add your cookies. And stir them in. And then it's a real easy. You just pour it in to your pie crust. Pour it all in there, let it set for for about, I'd say 30 minutes out. Then you pour it and then put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours or overnight until it's fully set. So now that the pie has set, it's been 3 hours. I put the Whipped heavy cream is what I use, the spray. Put it around the pie. Okay, do like that. And decorate it with a cookie in the middle. And it is good.